Hello,
Hello.
and welcome to our sensory story.
Welcome.
Welcome to the wood. Welcome to the wood. Let's go for a walk. Would you like to go for a walk? Okay. Let's go for a walk in the wood. Walking. Walking. Walking in the wood. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is shining in the wood. I can feel the sun on my face. I can feel the warm sun on my chest. Let's sit in the sun. The trees stand tall and strong. And the wind blows. The trees stand tall and strong. And the wind blows. The wind blows. The wind blows gently on my skin. The wind blows gently on my skin. Can you close your eyes for a moment and hold out your hands? Sometimes the leaves fall. The leaves fall from the trees. Can you crunch the leaves in your hand? Crunch. The leaves fall. Can you catch them? You ready? It's raining now in the wood. It's raining. Pitter patter, 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 pitter patter. It's raining in the wood. Can you shake off the rain? Maybe we need to brush it off. Brush. 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 After the rain has gone, the wood smells so fresh. How fresh it is. It's very fresh now in the wood. So let's go and sit on the grass. We can feel the grass with our fingertips. And we put our hands or feet into the stream. Can you put your hands or feet into the stream? It's very wet. Oh look! It's raining again. It's raining. I think we better take cover. Let's run and hide. Let's run. Can you run? And hide. Christos? Where's he gone? Christos, where are you? Hello? Oh! Oh! You playing hide and seek again? Should we play hide and seek? Hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Christos? He's gone again. Christos, where are you? Hello? Hello? Oh! Oh! Did it again. So it's time to leave the wood now. Let's take a walk. walking, walking, walking home, walking home. At home, we can relax. Safe and sound. Thank you
Thank you.
for listening. Bye.